In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a private server link here in Roblox. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Creating a private server link is obviously super convenient because once you do have the link, you can hand it to people and they can just slide right in. No knocking, no waiting. They can join anytime. First things first, obviously go into Roblox, click on whatever game has your private server on it. In my case, I'm going to use Go Garden as an example. Scroll down to you see the servers tab and then click on your server itself. But don't actually get loaded into your server because what you're going to want to do is click on these three dots up in the top right corner and select configure. And from here, you just want to scroll down and you're going to see an option for a private server link down at the bottom of this screen. Simply go ahead and press generate just like so, and it's going to make a link for you to go ahead and send to whoever you like. On the left hand side, there's a little copy button. Select that, and from here, you can simply either just go ahead and paste it into like a different thing just like so, or on top of that, you can send this link to your friends and they just have to click on this link and they'll get loaded into your private server as soon as they click on it. Just make sure that you do have this allow joining section on right here, otherwise it's not going to work. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. You've now got a fresh, ready to use link for your private server. Hand it out carefully though, because once people do have it, they could slip in anytime. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you do have any questions, ask us down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.